Mum's back in the kitchen and we're going to cook one of her delicious desserts today. Ma, what are you making?
We're making a rhubarb parfait with a raspberry coulis.
Oh, surprise, surprise, another French dish.
Surprise, indeed.
You should come on the show one time and make something, you know, maybe some Chinese.
Oh, can make a German sauerkraut if you want.
A German sauerkraut. That's for next time. So how do we start this delicious dessert recipe?
Okay, so first of all, you do a compote with the rhubarb.
Okay,
so to do that, we are going to take some chopped rhubarb.
I love rhubarb, and you grow rhubarb sometimes.
Yeah, well, your dad
My dad is a good
is
gardener.
doing that. Some sugar, a little bit of vanilla paste, give it a nice taste.
And we've got the rhubarb. It goes so well with raspberries, doesn't it?
Oh, it's lovely, yes.
What does parfait even mean in French?
It means perfect.
The perfect dessert.
Of course. A little water.
Great. And for those at home that don't know, what is a parfait?
It's simple ice cream, but you don't need to have all this machine to churn it or whatever.
Yep.
That's what it is. But it's an ice cream, basically.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Yep.
It's very good. So cook the compote for about 10 to 15 minutes on a slow heat.
Yep.
And then after 15 minutes, that's what it looks like.
Okay.
So it's nice and cool and it's ready to be blitzed.
Yeah, and you can see that it's still got a little bit of shape, but
Yes.
it is really soft. You need it to be super soft.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Okay.
And then the blender will finish it off to make a nice paste.
Okay,
Do you
so
want to do that for me?
Yeah, I can do that for you.
All right. That's it.
Okay, you happy with that?
Yep.
And you really don't need much to flavour the parfait. It's quite concentrated, the flavour.
Well, the rhubarb is really, really flavoursome, so it's really good, yeah. All right, now we're going to get on with the base.
Yes.
So add the yolks
Okay, 4 yolks.
and the syrup.
All right, so this is just a simple sugar syrup.
Exactly.
And you've
just
cooled
water.
it down.
Yeah, yeah.
It's a combination of sugar, water, and you just boil it down
Boil it,
for...
and that's it.
Yeah, easy.
Put it on the bain-marie, very gently.
Yep.
And then we're going to start with the machine.
Aha.
I beat that until it doubles in size almost, and it forms a kind of a ribbon structure. There you go. I think we are ready
So what are we looking for here, Ma?
for a ribbon.
Aha.
And I think that's perfect.
Yeah, see
Yeah.
how it sort of, when you do that, it's leaving a trace like a
Yeah.
ribbon? That's the perfect consistency.
It looks beautiful, doesn't it?
It does.
And smooth. Okay, so I'm going to mix it with my compote.
Okay. I'm just thinking of all the different flavours you can do with the fruits out there. We've done a rhubarb compote, but there's no reason you can't do a berry compote.
Strawberry, whatever, yes.
Yeah.
Yes. So to blend the two components,
Yeah. I like that pale pink colour.
it's lovely, yeah? With the coulis, it'll be even redder, it'll be lovely. Whipped cream, we fold it in very nicely.
So that's just thickened cream. There's no sugar or anything in that. It's just been whipped.
Just whipped, just whipped. Yep.
Okay. There we go. I'll steal that
you.
spoon. And I might have a little taste. That's going to be good. Lovely.
So we fold the cream in, and it has to go in a freezer. I would say overnight, really. This is the best
Yeah.
to have the perfect ice cream.
And there's many different ways of freezing your parfait. You could make a log, you could put it in Dario moulds or glasses.
Yes.
And just
or you
serve
can
it out of a
simply,
glass.
really, if you want to be simple and just, you know, for the kids, put it into a container and
Yeah.
then do an ice cream, you know.
But we're not making these for the kids today, are we?
No, we're not.
We're going to make them into these cute little Dario moulds. It's going to look so lovely with our coulis. And these are about half cup capacity, so this is going to make about 10 little parfaits.
Yes.
And this is a really good idea to place the parfait into a jug and then pouring it into your Dario mould so it's nice and tidy.
Exactement.
Nice one, I'll get that one out of the way. And in they go, and then we'll freeze them.
Now we are going to prepare a raspberry coulis to go with the parfait.
Nice.
In a pot, we're going to cook that for approximately, I think 5 minutes. That should be enough.
Yeah.
Raspberry,
And
sugar.
Did you blend your coulis or do you just like it chunky?
I prefer it blend.
Yeah, me too.
And then we will put it through the sieve so we don't have any seeds. And ready?
So good. Ma, these look fantastic. I really like the pastel colour of the rhubarb.
Yes, it really looks nice. And when we will add the coulis on top of it, it will look absolutely brilliant.
Oh, fantastic. Now, you want me to demold?
Oh, yes, you try. It should be easy.
It should be easy.
You just plunge them into a bit of a hot water.
Okay.
And then wriggle a little bit.
Wriggle, wriggle, wriggle.
Right.
Ooh, there we go.
There we go.
Onto the plate. Little shake, a little twist.
And there it comes.
Woohoo! Looks good.
Now we're going to pour a little bit of that coulis on top.
Stop it. This looks restaurant quality.
And to finish, we're going to put a little raspberry. Actually, one, I think, would be enough.
Gorgeous.
What do you think? Huh?
Maybe one over there too.
Maybe one there.
And
There
maybe
you go.
one there.
Time to taste.
All right. You go first, Ma.
Oh, yeah.
You are the chef after all. Good.
This is delicious.
That tastes like summer in France. There's something about crushed raspberries and rhubarb. Yeah, it just reminds me of my childhood when we'd go for trips to France and have fresh raspberries, freshly picked. And it really tastes like ice cream. You don't need a churner to make ice cream.
No,
Yep.
you don't.
Yep.
That's perfect. And on top of that, when you've got guests, you can do that the day before. It's perfect.
Absolutely, you can make these even a week ahead of time, demold them and serve them with that coulis. She's done it again. Thanks, Ma.